Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters. Today I'm going to do a review over a product that was sent to me from Litime, a lithium battery, LifePo4 battery that I'm going to be using on my bay boat here for my charters. I'm a professional saltwater charter fishing guide here in Florida, so I definitely have some experience with boats, boating, fishing, and I'm using them on my trolling motor. I've got a 24-volt trolling motor system, and I'm making the switch from AGM batteries, which weigh a lot. They work great, but my God, they were heavy. I'm going to save probably 75, 100 pounds in the boat by switching to these batteries. So Litime was nice enough to send me some batteries here, and the first thing I noticed is they were packed very, very well. So let's pull out of the box here and see what we got. So these are Bluetooth battery, smart batteries, which have a battery management system on board that allow when you're close to your battery or through Wi-Fi, you're able to actually log onto your cell phone here. I'll show you. And you can actually see the status of your battery, which is very cool. They're shipped to you at about 50%. So, and the nice thing is, like the AGMs and stuff have a $400 or $500 cycle time. These say 4,000 to 5,000, 6,000 cycles. I mean, that's phenomenal. That means you could go 10 years using this battery every day before you go through it. But it comes with a really nice owner manual. And right here is the QR code that you scan. There's a QR code on top of the battery that you would scan to be able to get to there to activate the BMS, the battery management system. But I'm going to be putting these in my bay boat here. My batteries, my AGM batteries are in behind me. I'll do that. And I'm going to be doing another video here later when I'm out on the water, once they're hooked up. Right now I'm at my storage unit where I keep my boat, and I'm going to do a review later to where we use them on the trolling motor, and they're packaged, like I said, very well. It's got nice styrofoam there. They were delivered on time. Their customer service has been great. I'm going to sit off here to the side and go over this with you. But like I said, I'm going to do another video. This is just a basic video to say, hey, here's what comes in there. This is a Group 31 12.8 volt LifePo4 battery, smart Bluetooth trolling motor battery, 100 amp hour. So they sent me two of them because I've got a 24 volt system, so I'm going to put them in parallel system. Comes with the battery post right here, all that good stuff. We got 12.8 volt, 100 amp hour, rated energy 1,280 watt hours, charging voltage 4.4. I do have an onboard charger in here that's capable of handling AGM, wet cell, and lithium batteries. Make sure that you check that out. Get the correct charger for it. Maximum continuous power 1280. Maximum continuous discharge current 100 amp. Like I said, this is new technology. It's really cool. And what's the nice thing is, let me tell you that right there. You are not, if that was my AGM battery, my foot would be broken because I would have dropped it. So, like I said, this is a Group 31. The group size is just the size of the battery. That's what I have in there now, so I know they're going to fit in the compartment. But if you're looking for some great batteries, highly suggest these. I'm going to do another video here, and I'm going to show them running. I'm going to take over the next hour. I'm going to get them installed. And I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.